So the video today is a tribute to Mother Nature. She's here like on fleek, as you can see far. But we just walk through the beautiful, beautiful Mother Nature's work. We walk through. First of all, there are, is that not cute? So we just walk through. It's like deep meditation. There's more to see. And these gardeners did such a good job. You're about to see what a green thumb can do. If you have a green thumb, it means you are good with plants. Don't be nasty. It's starting now. It's a bamboo, by the way. Very hard to find in Germany. Who does that? It's just the start. Some lilies there. Long time no see. That not nice. So you continue walking. You see the rest. Oh, haha, mariposa, butterfly. It has been too hot the last days. That's why the plants are kind of a little bit tired. Oh, butterflies. They still hike it. They don't hate. Like here, oh, too much sun. Poor plants. Look at that wonderful place there. Some lilies there. We're now going to the best place. So you see the way Alpha Omega chills, of course with style. Rasta style. And there's a mini train that goes through here for the kids. That's so cute. See, you can see the tracks, the rails. See that? It goes all through the park. Because there's a playing ground there. It's a big park. You can see it's very big. And a very nice playground there. So, very big playground. Very big. It continues. So, people living in Deutsch, you know where that is. Come and play with your kids. So now come see our place like we're entering heaven. Wow, we're about to reach heaven. This is the bridge to heaven. Heaven is near, heaven is near, heaven is here, heaven is here. now heaven is coming. Like not tomorrow. Wait, I need one of these beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. Need one for my hair. Nice, huh? Wild rose. Wild roses don't care where they grow. Oat blue flower. I'm sure a lot of my African friends will know this flower from home, eh? Do you remember the flower? Do you remember it? Reminds you of home, huh? So we reach heaven. Look at this. Mother Nature was on fleek here. Look how much they did. We will go there. First of all, look at this. Look at this wonderful. More remembrance of motherland. I'm sure all tropical places, you have this too. Maybe you can remember the smell they have. They really did such a good job. Look at this. This one reminds me of Africa too, oh God. It just continues, never finishes. Then there's also water, as you can see. Here is where the butterflies be chilling. They love this one. They love this one. So we already have found one there. The butterfly, you see, the butterfly loves this place so much. And the bees, look, the bees, busy bee, being very busy. Look at this, people, look at this. Look at this. And they're real. Don't be hating. Need one of these too. Oh yeah, a busy bee. Bee, you're so busy. Look at this. collecting some flowers. So let's walk to this, the Garden of Eden. So crazy. They also have pink ones here. Look at this. Reminds me of where? Tropic. Everywhere where it's just warm. Oh, look. Look how beautiful this place is. And I turn around, this is what I see. We also have some lavender there. Look, lavender. Sure, it smells good. Let's smell it. No, it looks like it. It isn't. Look, this one. There's really meditation here. Butterfly. That's gone. But the bees are being busy there. Looking like a tropical island. That's why I want to sit by the stake and I sit there. I can still see the flowers. Look at these people. So this is the best view. This is my favorite view. Now this is the center. How beautiful this is. It's the right place. Oh, somebody had already picked flower here. Why do you pick flowers and leave them there? Give them to me. Oh, look at this. So different colors. So, how do you see that? This is the Garden of Eden. Mini Garden of Eden.